Dear students, in the previous video, Saroj sir explained to you about electric field of a charge. What do you mean by electric field? What did you understand? Suppose this is a point charge plus Q. There is a space around this charge where the force due to this charge can be experienced by other charges. You know that charges exert forces on each other. Like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. If this is a point charge, this point charge cannot exert a force on a charge placed outside this region. Suppose I place a charge here, this charge cannot exert a force on this. This charge cannot experience force due to this. Why? Because it is outside this region. This region is called the electric field of this charge. So what is the electric field? The space around a charge where the force due to it is experienced by other charges. Now if I place this charge here, will it experience a force? Yes. Why? This charge is right now inside the electric field of this plus capital Q. So you all understood what is electric field. Now there are two physical quantities used to describe what is an electric field. One of them is a vector quantity. It is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field at a point in this electric field. What is that? Suppose I place this plus small q here, it will experience a certain force. Now if I place it here, it will experience another force. If I place it here, it will experience another force. So within the electric field, the effect of this charge is different at different places. So to define this, we have a vector quantity called intensity of electric field. Let us see what it is. Now I want to find the intensity of electric field at this point P, which is at a distance r from capital Q. By definition, the intensity of electric field at this point is the force experienced per unit charge by a infinitesimally small positive charge placed at that point. What is that? I place a very small positive test charge there. What will be the force experienced by it? F. By Coulomb's law, it is going to be K. K is the constant proportionality which you learned. If the medium separating two charges is vacuum, it is K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. K, capital Q, small q. I am placing a small test charge Q naught there, okay? Q naught upon r squared. What will be the direction of this force? Both being positive, it will be repulsive in nature, therefore force will be again away. That means in the direction of vector r. If I can write this as unit vector r cap. This is the force experienced by this positive test charge placed at this point. Now intensity of electric field at that point, E, is equal to limit Q naught tends to 0. That means this small test charge has got a very small magnitude. F upon Q naught. So what is this? Intensity of electric field. We are calculating the force acting on unit charge placed there. What is unit charge? 1 coulomb. But 1 coulomb of charge is too large a value that if I place 1 coulomb here, it will repel this charge away because it has its own field. So what do? I place a very small test charge, Q naught, positive test charge, which is approximately 0. Find the force acting on it and divide that force by its own charge. Then you will get force acting on 1 coulomb. So what is this equal to? It is equal to F by Q naught. F is so and so. So if I divide this by Q naught, what I get? K capital Q upon r squared unit vector r cap. So we got an expression for intensity of electric field by a point charge, near a point charge at a distance r away from it. How will you define it as? It is a force experienced per unit charge. By what? By an infinitesimally small positive test charge placed at that point. So we have derived the expression for the intensity of electric field near a point charge. Now, let us discuss what field lines are. Electric field lines. Electric field lines can be plotted by drawing the path followed by a positive test charge placed in an electric field. What is that? Electric field line is the path followed by a positive test charge placed in the electric field. Suppose I want to find the electric field line near this plus Q. I place a positive test charge. Positive test charge means what? Q naught plus Q naught, but very, very small. What will happen to it? It will get repelled away if it is free to move. So if I place it here, it will be repelled in this direction. So this line followed by the positive test charge gives you an electric field line. So the electric field lines near a positive test charge will be drawn outwards, radially outwards from the positive test charge. Positive charge, sorry. These are the electric field lines due to a positive charge. Now, how will be the electric field lines due to a negative charge? Here is minus Q. If I place a positive test charge here, how will it move if it is free to move? This negative will attract this positive test charge, so it will move in this direction. So I place it anywhere around, positive test charge gets attracted towards it. So that path followed by it will give you electric field line due to a negative charge. So here electric field lines, which I told you, are the path followed by a positive test charge placed in the field if it were free to move. So electric field lines due to a positive charge are directed radially outwards from it, and due to a negative charge are directed radially towards the point charge. Now, if you have a positive and negative charge placed close to each other, here is a positive charge, here is a negative charge. I want to plot the electric field lines here. How do I do it? I place a positive test charge here. How will it move? It will get repelled by this positive, attracted towards this negative. So this is the electric field line. Due to two unlike charges, they emanate from the positive charge and terminate at the negative charge. So you understood what electric field lines are. By definition, what are they? They are the path followed by a positive test charge placed in the electric field if that positive test charge is free to move. So next video, I'll give you the properties of electric field lines.